Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So this is another video of AWS Cloud tutorial series. So in this video, we are going to see how to create Ubuntu EC2 instances. So let's start the video without any further delay. As you can see here, I have already taken login inside my AWS account. Currently, I am inside Asia Pacific Mumbai region. Okay, let me go and search here EC2. I want to create EC2 instance. So this is the EC2 service, virtual servers in the cloud. Let's click on this service. Then click on launch instance. Okay, here you have to provide the name for your EC2 instance. So let me give name as Ubuntu. Okay, scroll down. Then here you have to select the image. Okay, application and OS image. So inside this you have to select the Ubuntu image. Click on this browse more AMIs and scroll down. You can filter from here as well. Okay, so let's click on this free tier only because currently I am using free tier account. So it will filter all the free tiers images. Let's click on all Linux and Unix. Okay, now scroll down. So this is the Linux image. Then this is the Linux, Red Hat, SUSE, Ubuntu. So this is the Ubuntu image and it comes under free tier eligible. So you have to make sure this free tier eligible it's showing here, otherwise AWS will charge you. Okay, so free tier eligible is there. Select this image. So this is the Ubuntu image. Okay, Ubuntu server 24.0 LTS. Select this image. Okay, image got selected. Here you can see the name Ubuntu server 24.04 LTS and this comes under free tier eligible. This is the description of that image. Then this scroll down. Then the instance type. So make sure to select T2 micro instance type only because it comes under free tier eligible. Let me show you other instance types. Click on compare instance types. So these many instances are present. See T2 nano, T2 micro, small, medium, large, all instance type you can see here. A1 large, then this C4, C5, okay, C5D. So select T2 micro because it comes under the free tier. Here you can see it is showing free tier eligible. Then this scroll down, then the key pair. If you already created the key pair, then select that key pair. Otherwise, click on create new key pair. Okay, click on create new key pair. Then you can give key pair name here. So let me give key, then the Ubuntu as a key pair name. Then select the RSA as a key pair type and private key file format you can keep .pem key file format. Then this scroll down and click on create key pair. Okay, so it has created the new key pair as well as it will automatically download that key pair for you. Okay, key Ubuntu PEM. Scroll down. Then the network setting you can keep as it is. So don't change anything here. Okay, so network setting you can keep as it is. The one thing you have to make sure in the network settings, this option, okay, allow SSH traffic from anywhere. So this option must be allowed here. Then this scroll down. So storage you can keep 8 GB as it is because up to 30 GB it's free. You can change it up to 30 GB. Okay, don't exceed this 30 GB limit, otherwise AWS will charge you. Suppose let me give you 31 GB. So 31 GB it is allowed, but it will not come under free tier because up to 30 GB it's free. So let's keep 8 GB. Then the scroll down. In the advanced details, don't change anything in the advanced details. You can keep all the settings as it is for now. Okay, then number of instances. So by default it will create one EC2 instance. If you want to create two identical EC2 instances, then you can type 2, or 3. Suppose 3 you want to create 3 EC2 instances, then you can type 3 here. But for now I want to create only one EC2 instance. Scroll down and click on this launch instance. So launching instance is started, so it will take some time. Okay, it is initiated. Okay, so let me click on this instance ID. So instance state is running, but we have to wait for 2x2 checks passed. Click on instances. Okay, this is Ubuntu EC2 instance. Currently it's in running state, but it is showing initializing. So we have to wait for 2x2 checks passed. Okay, let me refresh it. Okay, it's still in initializing, so we have to wait for some time. Let me select here running instances only, so it will show the running instance only. Okay, Okay, after 1 minute, it is showing 2 by 2 checks passed. Now, how to connect this EC2 instance? There are several ways to connect EC2 instance. Let me show you one way. Select EC2 instance, then click on connect. Scroll down. So this is the username. Okay, Ubuntu is the default username of that EC2 instance, Ubuntu EC2 instance. Okay, click on connect. Okay, now I'm inside the Ubuntu EC2 instance. Let me switch the user sudo su. Okay, let me show you the OS cat, then the etc os -release, hit enter. See, Ubuntu 24.04. This is the version ID and this is the version 24.0.3. So creating EC2 instances is not a big deal. You can create any EC2 instance like Ubuntu, then the Linux, Windows for practicing purpose. Okay, now let's see how to delete this EC2 instance. Go to the instances and just select the EC2 instance, click on instance state and click on terminate or delete EC2 instance. Then click on terminate delete. Okay, so termination request is initiated, so you have to wait for some time. It is showing shutting down, so click on refresh. So here you can see the status is terminated. It means our Ubuntu EC2 instance is deleted. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any doubts, then you can ask me in the comment section. Till then, bye bye.